to Zeta's Mama and Daddy's YouTube channel. So today is the 12th of May and today is Mother's Day. So happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. So sa Philippines, di ba, mas early kayo ng 12 hours since andito kami sa Connecticut. 12 hours ahead sa Philippines. So ayun, happy Mother's Day sa mga mothers dyan, sa aking nanay, sa aking kapatid, sa aking mga tita sa Philippines. And kagaya ng sabi ko kanina, lahat ng mga mothers na nanonood ng aming video. So ngayon, andito ulit kami, kagaya karamihan ng mga videos namin, andito kami lagi sa aking mga in-laws. Pero wala sila ngayon dito. Andun sila sa aking sister-in-law sa Washington DC. So andito kami, maghahakot lang si Love ng kanyang mga ano ulit, yung mga dirt para dun sa kanyang mini garden sa aming apartment. And then ipapasyal namin kayo sa isa sa mga state forest dito sa town kung saan kami nakatira. So basically ganun lang ang aming gagawin. Ganito ang gagawin namin to celebrate yung Mother's Day. So since kami ay nasa countryside, kagaya ng sabi ko din, walang masyadong pwedeng gawin. Although pwede na mapunta sa restaurant, kaya lang kasi hindi na namin pinili na pumunta ng restaurant dahil for sure madaming tao. So mag-ano na lang kami, take out sa isang Chinese restaurant, and dito na lang kakain. And then ayun nga, mag-iikot kami sa state forest. So ayun, samahan nyo kami today. Ayan si Love. Kung nanonood kayo ng aming mga videos, ganyan lagi ang ginagawa niya pagka day off niya. Most of the time naghahakot siya ng dirt from my in-laws property, tas dinadala niya doon sa apartment namin para doon sa ginagawa niyang mini garden. So ayun, ganyan lang talaga yung ginagawa namin dito. Super simple lang ng buhay namin dito sa countryside sa Connecticut. Tapos ngayon medyo malamig. It's 14 degrees Celsius. What are we gonna do now?
We're gonna bring the dirt to the garden, and we're gonna get the recycling to bring back here, and we're gonna go drive in the forest, and then we're gonna get Chinese takeout. That's it.
You're so annoying. Why do you look so handsome today?
Because I have a hat on. I take my hat off. I'm just a bald guy. Come on, close your door.
Ayan. Love, wait. Isara na natin ang door.
Show them the dirt.
I don't know. I think I forgot.
It's right back there. Just show them back there. There's the dirt.
Ayan, ipakita ko daw sa inyo ang dirt. Pero ano yun, pataba lang yung lupa. So what happened to your head?
What, where?
There's a lot of red.
It's razor burn.
Oh.
That was my laser tag code name. I would say laser tag when I was a kid. Razor burn.
I don't know what that is, love. We only play patintero and pico in the Philippines when we were a child.
Laser tag is like paintball, but with lasers.
And I did not play any kind of paintball or laser stuff when I was a kid. So yan ang status ng paligid ngayon. medyo malamig nga ngayon. Ayun yung ano, hindi ko masyadong gusto dito sa weather kung saan kami nakatira. Paiba-iba. Why is the climate, I mean the weather keeps on changing even if it's already spring?
Connecticut weather sucks. Our winters are very long and our summers are very short. And this is why it feels like summer disappear in like 3 weeks, because right now it should be, you know, nice, but it's not. So all of our nice weeks are being shortened by gray, cold, rainy weeks. So the more gray, cold, rain weeks we have is the more that our summer is shorter and shorter. So that's why.
So ayun, nahulog yung tissue. So pupunta na muna kami ngayon dun sa apartment para dalhin ang mga pataba ni Love sa kanyang garden. So makikita nyo para naman siyang location of horror movies. Love, can you say about that? Some people commenting that our place it looks like this is a location of a horror movie.
New England is kind of where horror story was invented. So
Really?
yeah, because you know we had the Salem witch trials and what's the other one? Sleepy Hollow, the Legend of Sleepy Hollow, and Edgar Allan Poe was from Maryland, but they have similar. But he lived in New York a lot, and all these forested areas. I don't know, just horror stories come from all around the world. Every country has horror stories, but in terms of horror movies, like who's making the movies is people in Hollywood, which is in the desert. And if you try to make a spooky movie out in the desert, I mean you can, but it's easier if you do it somewhere with trees. So they make the place have lots of trees, like Amityville is on Long Island, but they have trees.
There's another one, Love, the Orphan. I think it was
Orphan is
shot
in
here in Connecticut.
Yeah, and The Haunting in Connecticut, and I don't know, lots of them. There's a lot of them, but it's not just Connecticut. It's anywhere where there's trees, which is like half of the United States. They don't make as many horror stories, horror movies. They make horror stories everywhere, but they don't make horror movies really outside of where there's trees. Except for The Hills Have Eyes, which is like one of the best ones. It's out in the desert. I mean, you can make horror movies out in the desert. They do a lot of them, but mostly, and there's like, the Indians had a lot of horror ghost stories, and the Indians all lived in these places with trees, and like Pet Cemetery is about an Indian burial ground, you know, and Poltergeist was about, well, that's about the suburbs, but that's an Indian burial ground, so a lot of the spirits are connected to the Indians, and I mean the Indians were everywhere, but it's just, if you think about horror stories, they happen everywhere. You don't need one specific location for horror story or horror movie, but a lot of them are in these spooky New England forests, just because New England is a very old place. Our cemeteries are like hundreds of years old, so it's been a spooky place for longer than other spooky places. Like in Oregon, the cemetery is maybe only like 100 years old, but the one we went to in our video, that cemetery is probably like 400 years old or more. So, you know, it's just, I think over time, the longer a place is spooky, the more spookier it becomes.
The visited office.
What?
Yeah, the longer, the last statement that you said, of course, the longer
It's not that obvious.
It is.
Only a little bit obvious.
I thought you were making a joke again.
Well, it's both. I guess it could be funny because it's true, so whatever.
So, ayun. Pero nung unang dating ko nga dito, talagang ano siya, medyo nakatatakot ako. Kasi di ba pag nanonood tayo mga horror movies, ganito talaga yung setting. Pero so far, okay naman. So, ito yung road papunta sa aking mga in-laws. Sa pagtitingnan nyo, yan nga. Nasa gitna siya ng na sa horror movies. Pero totoo naman. Pero okay lang. Kasi super ano dito. Ay, look, I thought we're gonna go to your parents'
You
house.
said you want to go to the forest.
Now?
You said you want to go drive through the forest.
Now, I thought we're still going to your parents'
No,
house.
we're going now.
Okay, so ito na pala. Pupunta na pala tayo sa
Here,
forest.
we are there.
So ito ang what is this? Nachog State
Natural
Forest.
State Forest.
Ayan. Diba? Scary pagka maglalakad ka lang tapos mag-isa ka lang. Love, have you tried walking here alone?
Yeah, I walk here alone all the time.
How is it?
It's nice when it's, I don't know, it's different times a year. It's different whenever every time is different. But when I was younger, we used to do it so much that it seemed all the same. But now when I'm older, I go out, and the nicest time to go walking is in the middle of the summer when it's pouring rain. This place is the most beautiful when it's like tons of rain happening. I don't know why, but it is. And it's got to be hot. If it's very hot and very rainy, that's the best. Or if it's just regular hot and not super hot, that's also, and dry, that's nice because it'll be very green. So it's nice when it's very green, it's nice when it's very rainy, and the rest of the time I guess it's about, it's all the same.
So ito, ganyan siya.
This is my parents' house down there, but you can't see it.
I don't think they can see it.
See the White House?
Love, they couldn't
Yeah, they're not
see
gonna
it.
see it, but I'm asking you if you
No, I
can see
can't. Ah, yeah, I can.
it. Did you forget that there's a world outside of YouTube?
Whatever. What can we see over there?
What did you expect? It's a forest.
Just the forest?
Yeah, so
There's no like park or something.
there's a reservoir, I guess.
Let's go there. What do you call it? Reservoir?
A reservoir.
So, bababa kami dun.
I think it's just a pond. It might not even be a reservoir. It might just be a pond. We can bang there.
Cheers.
The baby's sleeping.
Whatever. So, ayan. Dito kami, papunta kami dito sa Beaver Dam Marsh. Okay, let's go. Love is trying to tell me something about the girl that she walked with here when he was still a young man.
We should leave because these people are probably banging.
Or what?
They're probably banging. We shouldn't go.
We're gonna disturb them.
You think I'm joking, but
I don't think they are. Look
see if
at it.
that car is bouncing around.
It's not good. Puro kalokohan talaga itong lalaki na to. So, ayan ang dam. Seems like there's no people there. No, I wanna go down and show it to them. It's nothing. I think they
Can't
are just
enjoy
walking.
anything.
I think they're just They are walking around.
Oh, this place is supposed to be empty to enjoy it. Or else, so we're gonna come back here some other time when it's empty. We can walk.
Whatever. Is there any other place that we could go to here?
Maybe down there, I guess.
Can we see the dam?
The dam? No, you cannot.
Damn.
So we gotta go to the restaurant. So. Did you show them the trees?
Yeah, I already did.
Yeah, but those were different trees. These are. That was those trees, and these are these trees. Do you want to go really fast?
No.
Or just a little?
They want to teach me how to drive here, love.
No, not in this truck.
No, I mean this place, this road.
Well, I guess if we had our truck, it wouldn't be a bad place to do it. Because there's no traffic.
Parang maganda mag-aral dito mag-drive kasi walang sasakyan.
This is the Lost Silver Mine Horse Camp. Supposedly there used to be a silver mine out here, and probably there still is, and there should be some way to mine for silver out here, but nobody really knows how to do it. And you'll see that it says restricted to horse camping only because the yuppies who own horses pay more taxes than everybody else, so they can camp out here. They don't want anybody else camping out here. Only the yuppies who own horses are allowed to camp. And the free camping, you think because it's free that everybody should be able to do it, but only the people who pay lots of money to own horses can have the free camping. Never out here anyways. You know who's out here? People who are banging.
But your mother owns a horse. Our own.
Yeah, but why is she gonna come out here to camp? She lives over there.
Are we allowed to go in this road now?
Yes.
To come in this
We just
road?
can't camp here. We can go here. Everything looks different than the last time. I think they took down a lot of trees out here. Yeah, look at all the dead trees over there. Those things used to be wrecked. And now they are flaccid. Is this a wild cabbage?
What cabbage?
Oh no, that's a lamb's ear.
So ayan, ano kami? Bababa kami dito. Wait lang. Sa campground. Pero sabi nila, ang pwede lang daw mag-camp dito is yung mga may horses. Natutulog si Zara. So ito yung ano dito. Pwede ka dito magstay. Saan? What is this? Just a bench.
It's a picnic table.
Picnic table. Zara sleeping. Ayan. Medyo nakakatakot siya. But sabi nila, ano daw sila dito. Nagka-camp sila dito minsan. Ay, nung bata pa siya. Ano sila dyan? Bonfire. Ayan, may mga bushes. Ay, ang tawag dyan. Weed. Zara. Ah, Zara's smiling.
The camera bit.
Look at the camera. Smile.
Baby.
Say hi. What happened to you? Let's go. So, ayun lang. Nag-ano lang kami drive around dito sa Natural State Forest. And then, pupunta na kami ngayon sa restaurant. Where are we going? What restaurant again? Chinese buffet restaurant.
Peking House.
Ayun. Doon kami kakain. See you later doon sa restaurant. Ayan ang horse ng aking mother-in-law. What's the name of this horse, love?
It's Bo Miller.
Bo Miller. So yan daw si Bo Miller. Meron pang isa kasi hindi ko alam kung saan na nagpunta.
Lady Gaga took off. She's camera shy.
Yeah, umalis si Lady Gaga. Pangalan daw ay Lady Gaga. Come on, love. Let's go to the Chinese restaurant.
The bamboo.
I'll go do it.
I'm doing it. It's happening as we speak.
How long would it take?
I don't know, just 1 or 2 minutes will be fine.
Yan, pag chinek yung clouds, super cloudy. Actually, disappointed ako ngayong mother-in-law kasi nga, ang plano namin is pupunta doon sa Rhode Island, sa beach doon. Sabi nila, yun daw ang best beach na napuntahan niya so far. Pero hindi ako disappointed sa husband ko. Disappointed ako sa weather kasi ang lamig. What? Kaya hindi okay na pumunta doon kasi kawawa naman si Zara. Syempre pag sa beach yun.
Let me tell them about my disappointments.
No, I'm telling them that I'm disappointed today. Not because of you. It's because of the weather.
Is it though?
Yeah, that's
We
what I
could've gone
said.
in bad weather.
No, but Zeta will be suffering. But it's okay because Love said that we are going to visit the beach next time
Yeah, that'll buy me some time.
when the weather is good.
Supposedly.
Because right now it's 12 degrees Celsius, so hindi siya magandang weather para pumunta sa beach para kay Zeta. Kung kaming dalawa lang, okay lang. Masyado namang malamig kasi 'di ba sa harap siya ng beach tapos mahangin pa doon sa harap ng water.
Show them the bamboo.
That's the bamboo.
You gotta zoom in.
That's the bamboo. Ayan yung sprinkler ni Love. So ayun, pero okay lang naman. Nag-enjoy naman ako sa aming activity today. Hindi ako nagsasawa sa mga sa mga palakad-lakad sa forest or pag roam around sa forest. Sana hindi rin kayo magsawa. Kasi mostly ganun talaga ang papakita namin sa channel namin kasi dito kami nakatira. And we are trying to show you how the life is here in the countryside in Connecticut. So ayun. Yan, punta na kami. After niya magdilig ng kanya mga bamboos, pupunta na kami doon sa Chinese restaurant. Andito na kami ngayon sa Chinese buffet restaurant. Ayan, open siya. What? Where's the entrance?
Are you seeing?
Doon na kami kumain doon sa Chinese restaurant. Hindi na ako nakapag-video. Tapos doon sa katabi naming table, may mga Filipino. So nakausap ko naman sila. And mababait sila. Ayun. So yun lang ginawa namin ngayong Mother's Day. Pauwi na kami. It's already 4 p.m. 4 in the afternoon. So ayun. Yun lang. And i-end na rin namin ang video. Thank you so much for supporting Zeta's Mama and Dada's YouTube channel. See you again soon. Bye!